How to organize iPhone 16e apps to easily find them. So let's start the video. First of all, make a folder. For making a folder, press and hold on your screen and then drag one app to another app like that. And here you want to rename a folder, then simply click on it and here you can rename a folder like that. And if you want to delete a folder, then simply open folder and press and hold on the app and drag it onto your home screen. After adding all the apps back to your home screen, your folder will be deleted. So this is the way to organize iPhone 16e apps to easily find them. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.